The Big Nothing. The universe exists. I imagined the Big Nothing as layers of membranes in a stack. Chaos dictates that the nothingness in a membrane is not even. At some point in each membrane there is a point that has the possibility to be something. All was well, until two or more points of possible something are close enough to interact and create an imbalance in the Big Nothing. Something is created from nothing. The membrane is no longer part of the Big Nothing and exists in its own right. A universe. This process is likely to be repeated. In the Big Nothing these universes can only be affected by other universes, as the Big Nothing would try nullify them and return them to being nothing. Perhaps all the universes migrate to each other and join together. In our universe the membrane has information in its membrane structure. This information produces the first particle strings. Strings, I imagine, were rings when they were nothing. The rings were broken by the imbalance. Matter and antimatter existed and would be nothing if repaired. To my mind, strings have an electromagnetic charge. This then progresses, through the laws of nature and information in the membrane, to form the first particles. Particles evolved to form the first matter and antimatter in the extreme cold they were in. Hydrogen and helium atoms are created by the laws of our membrane universe. I think each membrane was infinitely large, but perhaps once it existed it was no longer infinite compared to the Big Nothing. In the chaos of creation, the first hydrogen suns were formed. They burned out, quickly evolving new elements. The second generation of suns lit up and new elements evolved and were expelled by them.